Okay, now, our tutorial on the C# will now continue. Now, I'm going to teach you how to get a value from another form, which is we need to declare another form. Okay, as you can see, we have now the form 1 and the form 2. On the form 2, on the form 1, we need a 3 text box and 1 button. Okay, we have now 3 text box and 1 button. The value of these 2 text box 1 and text box 2 is equal to text box 3. The value of that the value of that will going to send to the form 2. Okay. Now we have now a text box on the form 2. On the properties, you need to declare that text box is not a private. You're going to declare is at public. Okay, now we go back to your form. Then we're going to add this. Okay, int a is equal to int dot parse. Oh, int int dot parse. Then text box 1 dot text. Text box 1 dot text. Then int b is equal to int dot parse text box 2 dot text. Then c is equal to, you need to declare is int c is equal to 0. Okay, now we're going to declare a c is equal to a plus b. Then text box 3 dot text is equal to c to string. Okay, now how to get the value of the text box 3 or the sum or the c into the form 2? First, you need to declare that the form 1, that the form 2 is a public. How to declare? It's easy. Just type the form name. Form. That is the form name. Then YouTube, which is I'm going to use to substitute the form 2. Okay, on this you need to YouTube is equal to new form 2. Now, on the button, if we click the button, show the I want to show the form 2. Okay, now we're going to show the form 2. YouTube dot show, then YouTube dot textbox 1 dot text. This textbox 1 dot text is the form. This is that is from the form 2. Okay, now is equal to c dot string. C dot string. Okay, we're going to test it. We're going to input a number a 2 and 2. Then if you click the button, you're going to pop up the form 2 and add the 2 value, as you can see. Okay, thank you for watching. For more tutorial, visit my site www.pcuunderground.com.